Hello everyone. In August 20 to 26, 2026, yesterday, so there was a massive flash flood in Nepal, in the Nepal-China border, in our district, Rasuwa district, I guess. Yeah, Rasuwa district. So I was checking the satellite image. This is a Landsat data set. I downloaded it from USGS Earth Explorer, and I was checking the satellite image with false color composite, and I could see that this was the destruction that happened. I think it's glacier outburst, or I don't know exactly the term, which term is used in this scenario, but this is the glacier. And if we just simply check the previous satellite image, then we can clearly see like what was what is there. Okay, so what was the condition before? Okay, I just want to see like in the base map like what was there. Okay, see, the previous scenario was like that, and it is not a recent image. It is just like representing like what it looked like. So this was the reason, and now okay, I think it's not overlapping perfectly. Oh yeah, it's okay. If we zoomed in, then I think this is the area that is outburst. That's why we really have a very big, massive, intense flash flood. And if you see over the place, then you can see the impact of that area. It is really, really huge, and it has covered real big area. And if you just see the size of the channel and see, it has covered like massive area. Oh my god. Yeah, anyway, it is just first outlook, so it could be that we could find like many information from here. And I was just checking with Google Earth. You can also go and check with Google Earth if you just look at the location. So this is the location, and let me just have a look uh, towards it with terrain view. Okay, I went on the turn on the terrain view. Let me just have a look on it. Sorry, what happened? Okay, so if you just look at this area, this is the actual initiation area. So this is the portion that was outburst. Okay, I think up to here maybe. I'm not exactly sure because I haven't measured anything over here. So I think up to here the portion is completely outburst, and it has fall all over down, and it started messing around like, yeah, it is really hard to believe, right? So yeah, so it just goes all the way towards the south, all the way following this path, and it has really impacted most of the area in Nepal, and many lives has been taken by this devastating flash flood. So this is the exploration that I had found till now. And if you see here, this is the portion, right? This is the broken portion. It all fall down to the region. And I think it's look at the height. It's really, I mean, big, right? The flood, sorry, the glacier just burst from here and dropped down, and it started just flooding. Oh my god, that's huge. So yeah, thank you so much for watching till now. So I was just sharing some of the information that I was able to find by looking at some of the analysis. It is just a simple NDVI indices that I have used to look if there is like classification that could be done. But yeah, I could see that the area covered by this is really very big. Okay, there is breakage. Is there any specific thing? Oh, maybe because of the cloud or something. Yeah, it's big. Yeah. Anyway, there could be a lots of research that can be done in this specific thing, but more than that, we have lost a lot of lives, and yeah, I think the first thing that we need to do is, as far as possible, we have to go for like response to that area, so that people, at least we can find what is going on over there. I think government is doing a lot of things to make sure everything is fine, but yeah, it's very big thing, big disaster that has happened after earthquake. I guess in 2015 there was a massive earthquake, and compared to that, this is the second most difficult situation that Nepal is again facing. So it's really bad for all of us, right? So everyone, please have patience. Let's have a deep thought on this, and I think we really need to look into like we have to be very careful about it. So many things, because I'm pretty sure that there are lots of glacier in this area, so we have to plan, like we have to be very careful on what may happen in future. So you can see there are other glacier, there are lots of glacier, and it's quite pretty possible that this kind of things can happen in near future with the changing climate and everything that is happening so fast in Himalayas. So thanks so much for watching, but yeah,